What's the meaning of catfight? Catfight. Catfight.
Catfight. Catfight. A catfight is a term used to describe a physical altercation or argument between two women, typically characterized by scratching, hair-pulling, and slapping. The term is often used in a derogatory way to suggest that women are catty or petty in their disagreements. The result of a catfight can vary, but it typically involves some level of physical harm or emotional damage to one or both parties involved. In some cases, the aftermath of a catfight may also involve damaged relationships or reputations among those who witnessed or were involved in the conflict.